Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, it's your evidence that you joined SAPS in 2005. Is that correct?
That's correct, my lord.
Uthi yebo mina ngingene esiphoyiseni ngo-2005 njengoba ebuzwa imibuzo.
You underwent a training up to 2007. Sorry. Oh, thank you. Up to 2007, where you you completed your training.
That's correct, my lord.
Waqeqeshwa wena kufikela ngo-2007 kufikela uzuqeda uthi yebo.
And you were working at Katlehong, community section.
That's correct, my lord.
Wakade usebenza eKatlehong uthi yebo iqiniso Nkosi yenkantolo.
Up to 2013, when you were promoted to the provincial office. Is that correct?
That's correct, my lord.
Kufikela ngo-2013 la wena uye wathola i-promotion waphakanyiswa emsebenzini uyisiwa e-provincial office uthi yebo iqiniso.
From 2007 up to 2013, where were you residing? In Katlehong?
Where was I residing?
Yes, where were you staying?
I can't say that, my lord.
Uthi manje wena sukela ngo-2007 fikela ngo-2013 wawuhlala phi uthi cha nokangikwazi ukuphila.
I don't want you to reveal the address, the physical address where you reside. Were you residing within the area where you were employed?
As a court case, the witness has already said that my compromise is safety.
Yeah, this witness, we all know she's dealing with the cold cases unit, which according to Mohano deals with intelligence matters also.
May I withdraw that question? Let's proceed. But are you familiar with the area of Katlehong and its surroundings, like Albertine, Phosphorus, Jamestown? Are you familiar with it?
That's correct, my lord.
Uthi ngizoyeka ke loya mbuzo ukuthi wena ubukade uhlala phi. Indawo iKatlehong nezinye ezilaphayana eduze nayo uyazazi na uthi yebo ngiyazazi.
Will you be able to assist the court with the knowledge that we have of the area that we are talking about? Say, for instance, if you are driving from from M12, joining N3, and you are driving to Katlehong, which off-ramp are you using?
If you are driving from N12
Yes,
to N3
correct.
and you want to get into Katlehong,
To Katlehong, yes. Where do you off-ramp?
my lord, I think it's Heidelberg Road, R554.
Uthi ke uma ushayela imoto akusiza inkantolo uma ushayela imoto laphayana kumgwaqo iN12 bese ungena ngoN3 uma ungena eKatlehong wena uzosebenzisa yiphi indlela uthi iHeidelberg Road.
So there's in Heidelberg Road, when you off-ramp, is it correct that there is a steel plant on your left-hand side towards or from off-ramping to Heidelberg Road? Do you know of any steel plant as you drive after you have off-ramped from N3 approaching Heidelberg Road?
No, my lord, I do not know of any steel plant.
Uthi uma ulaphayana kumgwaqo ke iHeidelberg uyazi ngala kusetshenzwa ngeinsimbi khona uthi cha angikwazi.
All right. Do you know score metals?
Yes, my lord, I know score metals.
Uthi le ndawo ebizwa score metals eyinsimbi uyayazi uthi yebo ngiyayazi.
When you off-ramp from N3 towards Heidelberg Road, if you know the place, is it not the place on your left-hand side as you are driving towards Heidelberg Road?
As my lord, you are driving to Heidelberg Road.
All right.
Going to which direction, my lord?
To cut your,
Because you have to.
let me just put it this way. You are off-ramping, you are driving from N3. Are you with me?
Yes, my lord.
Now you are going to Katlehong. You off-ramp. Then you join Heidelberg Road. Is that what you said? Is that what you said?
My lord, let me put it this way.
Yes.
When you, let's say you come from Katlehong, you pass the stadium Hunters Field.
No.
I just
You
want
just not
to
get
put
it.
it in a way that I understand. From Hunters Field, when you go to Germiston, I think the Skome will be on the left-hand side as you go further down to, I think, Dinuidi, going to go under the bridge N17. The Skome tells my lord will be on the left-hand side.
Uthi ke mawuhamba ngalo mgwaqo iHeidelberg wena uzodlula istadium ngaphambi kokuthi ufike kule ndawo le ekukhulunywa ngayo ekuthiwa yi-score metals kusetshenzwa ngensimbi bese uzongena ngaphansi kwebro.
Let me put it to you. So, I understand the way you put it. It's another route that you can use. But the one that my line of questioning is based is when you off-ramp from N3 intending to go to Albertine, you off-ramp and you joined Heidelberg Road. Am I wrong if I say there is that plant score metal on your left-hand side?
My lord, can we rather use, my lord, my way, because I understand the way, my lord, when you come from Huntersfield, because my lord, the council is mentioning Albertine, and then if you are of ramping at Heidelberg Road, my lord, if you were to go to Albertine, you have to take a right turn. So, my lord, if now he's mentioning Albertine, I'm getting confused.
All right.
I think, my lord, it's easier if we take it from Katlehong as if we are going to Germiston.
Uthi mina ngiyacabanga ukuthi ingaba lula lento eyozama ukuyichaza mmeli uma mina singasebenzisa lendlela emina ngiyichaza ngayo ngoba manje ukhuluma ngeAlbertine ukhulume nangeHuntersfield mina bengibona ukuthi ngalendlela bengukuchazisele ngayo ukuthi sisebenzise leyo ndlela iyona engaba lula.
All right, let me just make it clear for you. You're driving from N12, joining N3. The first off-ramp after you joined N3 will be Grey Avenue. Do you agree?
My lord, I'm not sure if it's a first off ramp. I'm not sure. What I know, my lord, is that when you want to off ramp to Katlehong, my lord, you take R554, my lord, the Heidelberg Road. So I'm not sure, my lord, if Grey Avenue is coming before or, my lord, after, or if it's the first or the second, my lord. I don't want to confuse myself.
Uthi angifune kuzidida engikwaziyo ukuthi umgwaqo loyana uma ubuya ku N3 ukungena ku Heidelberg Road ekwi R554 ukuthi leyana Grey Avenue eyokuqala noma eyesibini angifune ukuzidida ngalokho Nkosi enkantolo.
All right. If a need arise, I'll assist you with the AVL. That is Exhibit MM2. But according to the AVL, the first off-ramp after that is Grey Avenue. The first off-ramp on N3 is Grey Avenue, which is followed by Heidelberg Road.
I hear you, my lord.
Mayingabe kuzodingekala ngakusiza ukuthi ngikunike iAVL lo buyabufakazi obekade bubonisa ukuthi imoto ihambe ephi. Uthi ke mina ngiyakutshela ukuthi i-off ramp yokuqala yi-Grey Avenue bese ilandelwa umgwaqo we-Heidelberg. Uthi ngiyakuzwa lo.
And it has been placed on record by Sergeant Mngomezulu that after he has off-ramped from N3, he joined Grey Avenue, and there's an engine garage on the right-hand side. Do you know that garage? Engine garage at Grey Avenue.
My lord, I think, my lord, there is an engine garage, my lord, along N3.
When you are driving from Albertine now, using Heidelberg Road, before the entrance to Catley Home, there is another engine garage. Do you agree?
Under the bridge,
Under the bridge, thank you.
there is, my lord, engine garage.
Uthi manje uma usuke Albertine uya kumgwaqo we-Heidelberg ikhona enye engine garage uyayazi. Uthi le usho le engaphansi kwebroho. Uthi yebo ngiyayazi.
As you are off-ramping N3, you are facing a small location, we call it Rodekop. Do you agree?
As we are facing,
When you off-ramp from N3, facing, before you joined Heidelberg Road, there's a small location, we call it Rodekop. Do you agree?
I agree, my lord.
Uthi uma usanda kwehla ngo-N3 kunelokishi elincanyana laphayana libizwa iRodikop. Uyavuma? Uthi yebo ngiyavuma.
All right. From the second garage that you're testifying about, under the bridge, the engine garage, facing Albertine now. You are driving on Heidelberg Road, facing Albertine. Are you still with me there?
Yes, my lord, I'm with you.
Uthi yebo ngisanawo uma ukhuluma ngale ya garage siya ngasomgaqweni iHeidelberg Road uma usakhuluma ngale ya engine garage.
Prior to reaching, there is, on the way towards Albertine, there is a BP garage. Do you agree? On the right-hand side.
With due respect, my lord, I don't know if the council is trying to confuse me with the garages.
No. I'll give you a
Because
chance.
now you are mentioning BP's engine
Yes.
BP, so I'm...
All right, let us avoid the dialogue. My question is, in terms of assisting the court about the area, you must tell me if there's no such a garage. I'm not trying to confuse you. I'm putting a question to say, if you go on or in Heidelberg Road towards Albertine City, there is a BP garage on the right-hand side. Is that correct or not?
That's correct, my lord.
Uyavuma ke ukuthi ikhona igarage ye BP eqaleni ubekade ethi inkosi yenkantolo angazi ukuthi ummeli uzama ukungidida na bekade ekhuluma nge-engine manje sekhuluma nge-BP uthi cha ngicela ungitshele nje ukuthi ikhona na noma ayikho uthi yebo ikhona i-BP garage uma uya e-Alberton.
Before you arrived at the BP garage, there is a robot on the left-hand side of, there is a robot on the right-hand side. If you are facing towards Alberton, there's a dumping site on the right-hand side of, on that entrance of the robot. There's a dumping site on the right side. Is that correct?
My lord, I know of the BP garage, my lord. I can't recall, my lord, if there's a dumping site on the right.
Uthi ngaphambi kokuthi ufike kunendawo la kulahlelwa khona izibi usayikhumbula uthi i-BP garage yona ngiyayikhumbula kodwa la kulahlwa khona izibi cha angikukhumbula.
All right, I'll assist you, but not in terms of placing evidence. It's what will reflect also on the AVL, that there is a dumping site on the right-hand side as you are driving towards Alberton. Let's move on.
Uthi siqhubeke ke ngiyakusiza ikhona futhi na kwi-AVL iyabonisa ukuthi ikhona indawo leyana yokulahla izibi kodwa soqhubeka ke.
As a good please, my lord, there isn't such evidence that there's a dumping site according to the AVL.
We are waiting a report by the expert, and such report will demonstrate, because
So you have received the report.
the report is not yet received.
So where do you get your information from?
My lord,
Because if the, wait.
Yes.
If the report is not yet received from Mr. Dupree,
yes,
where do you get the information from where you speak with certainty that the AVL will demonstrate? Because you are putting it as a fact.
my lord, I'll put it as a fact, and it will remain a fact, because as I've indicated that I cannot be a witness in the description of the place, but it will be a fact that will be discovered with the report of the expert.
Okay, fine.
That place exists. Let me just put it straight to you and say there is a dumping site on the right-hand side as we approach the Heidelberg. There is such a dumping place.
I hear you, my lord.
Uthi ubaba Mngomezulu ithi ngitshele ufakazi ke ukuthi ikhona leyo ndawo leyo yokulahla izibi uma uya kuloya mgwaqo loyana ufakazi uthi ngiyakuzwa nje.
I just want to establish, my lord, the area so that the court will have a proper picture of what is happening around that area. Ma'am, have you driven a motor vehicle from Dinuji side to Alberton using Grey Avenue?
No, my lord.
Uke washayela imoto usuka ngale ngasediniudi uya ngase Alberton uthi cha.
All right. Have you been to engine garage? There's the first engine garage at Grey Avenue. Have you been to that engine garage?
My lord, I'm not sure if the engine garage is at Grey Avenue, but I know that there is, my lord, a engine garage, my lord, when you drive along entry before you get to R554.
Uthi i-engine garage leyana usuke waya kuyo na uthi anginaso isiqiniseko sokuthi leyo engine garage isemgaqweni lo uGrey Avenue kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi uma ushayela laphaya ku R554 ikhona i-engine garage.
Yes.
And yes, my lord, I've been to that engine garage, my lord. And there is also Wimpy, my lord, where I once at some stage sat and had breakfast, my lord.
Uthi futhi into engiyaziyo ukuthi engine garage ikhona khona lapho futhi khona lapho egarage khona iWimpy la mina ngike ngahlala ngadla kuyo.
Is that fine, please?
And also, my lord, can I also mention that there was a time, my lord, prior to 2020, my lord, where I got stuck with the vehicle at the very same garage, my lord.
Futhi kulo lelo garage elinewili mina ngike ngastaka ngemoto yami ngaphambi koka 2020.
All right. Are you now done?
I'm done, my
May I
lord.
proceed?
Yes, my lord.
You agree with me that there is a robot at that garage?
That's correct, my lord.
Uyavuma ukuthi ikhona irobot lapha yana ngakuleli garage uthi yebo ikhona.
According to the AVL, it also reflects Collins Street. Collins Street. I'm putting to you that the street where you turn right to that garage is the Collins Street. Do you agree?
I don't agree, my lord, because I don't know, my lord, if there is such a street, my lord, called Colin.
Uthi ngiyakwazisa ke ukuthi kunomgwaqo lapha yana uma ufika obizwa iColin. Uthi cha mina ngeke ngikwazi ukuvuma lo ngoba angilalo lolo lwazi lokuthi kunomgwaqo onjalo obizwa Colin.
Mr. Mngomezulu, what are you trying to establish? The dumping site?
No, my lord.
Because now we're taking, for the
May-
past 15 minutes, we're talking about roads.
Yes.
Something must happen somewhere there.
My lord, may I just indicate this?
Yes.
According to the witnesses of the state, I got this opportunity for this witness because she is familiar with Katleho.
Yeah, but she says she is not sure whether there's a still or dumping place. Is that what you're saying, ma'am? Because that's what I thought the crux of your cross-examination is. She is not sure.
The crux will be relevant to what is contained in the AVL.
Yeah, fine.
Yes.
Fine.
There's no other witness that can confirm the geographical position of that area other than this witness, my lord.
And what about the AVL?
The AVL will then,
She
Because-
can't confirm the AVL. The AVL confirms her evidence.
the AVL,
Because
my
she
lord,
is saying she is not aware of a dumping site. Logically, it must be so.
I've passed that side.
Oh, I see.
I've
Okay.
already put it to her that there is a dumping site and the report will come and confirm that there is a dumping
Okay.
site. Now I'm moving to areas that are mentioned on the AVL.
Oh, okay.
And the previous witness, Mr. Mkhana, has given evidence relating to the Collins Street and other relevant streets that are within the,
Okay, fine. Continue, sir.
yes. Is it page one? Yes, I will. So now that may I quickly get my things sorted. Yes, the summary from the 18th, from the 18th of June. Sorry, 18th June. Yeah, to the streets, Collins Street, Marvin Street, and Fraser. May I refer you to page 26, if I'm not mistaken?
Page 26.
Around 18 June. Yes.
Uthi kumele siye ku page 26 yaleya AVL.
Do you see, just a second, my lord, I need to confirm something. 1820. Do you see 1820? The time 1820. Page 31 on the A3. Yes. Now I've got it, yeah. Do you see page 31?
I see page 31, my lord.
1820, can you go to 1820?
That is, my lord, the time.
Yes.
Mine, my lord, start with 1849.
Uthi ke iya ku page 31 ubone isikhathi u1820 uthi eyakhe iqala ngo
Alright, let me just
1849.
yes, so now, alright. Just a second, ma'am, just a second. Can you quickly go to 1851, sorry, I beg your pardon. 1851.
(1851) 40
Yes.
seconds.
Yes.
I see, my lord.
Where it indicates that he joined Grey Avenue in Albemarle, Jamestown. Do you see that?
Yes, my lord, I can see that.
Uthi ngiyabona ke la ukuthi ibhale ukuthi imoto leyana ingene ku Grey Avenue eAlbemarle eJamestown.
1852, it deals with Collins Street, driving near Collins Street. Do you see that?
Yes, my lord, I confirm.
Uthi ngiyabona ke ukuthi ngo1852 ithi imoto yayikade ishayela ngase Colin.
1853, Marley Street, Fairwood Park, Alberton. Do you see that?
Yes, my lord.
Uthi yebo ngiyabona ukuthi ngo1853 ithi imoto yayikade ihamba ngase Mali umgwaqo kuloya mgwaqo uMali.
1935, if you can proceed to 1935, access idle. The car was driving near Fraser Street, Albemarle, Jamestown. Do you see that?
Yes, my lord, I can see that.
Ngiyabona futhi nokuthi ngo1935 ithi imoto yayikade ingase Fraser umgaqweni ngase Fraser eAlbemarle eJamestown.
According to this AVL, it places all these streets next to that engine garage that has Wimpy. Do you agree?
My lord, I hear you.
Uthi ubuya ngale AVL ibeka leya moto ngase engine garage la kunaleya Wimpy. Uthi ngiyabuzwa.
Yes. All right, let's proceed with the. I just wanted you to establish or to put it on record the area we are talking about, so that when I pose questions, everyone will be clear as to what I'm talking about, relating to the geographical position that reflects in the AVL. All right, now we're getting to the gist of the cross-examination. On the 30th of May 2020, you were in Tembisa. Is that so?
That's correct, my lord.
Uthi ke sesingena odabeni manje njengoba ngizokubuza imibuzo nge30 zika May ngo2020 wena wawukade usethembisa iqiniso lokho uthi yebo iqiniso.
According to your evidence, you were allocated a docket under case number 21703 2019 by Brigadier Ginenda. Is that so?
That's correct, my lord.
Uthi kuya ngobufakazi bakho uthe uye wanikwa icase number yaka 21703 unikwa uBrigadier Ginenda iqiniso uthi yebo.
All right. Was it the first time to receive the docket? Was it the first time to receive the docket? in December 2019.
No, my lord. I don't understand the counsel, my lord.
May I rephrase the question?
No, it's because you started by saying on the 30th of May 2020, you were in Tembisa
Yes.
and you were handed a docket 217/03 by Ginanda.
The
Now
docket-
the location in this mind of the witness is 30 May. Now you are saying on the 20th, 9/2023. Are you with me?
My lord, the question is, when Brigadier Gininda allocated a docket under cast number 21703/2019, it was in December 2019. Do you agree?
No, my lord, I disagree.
Uthi uyavuma na ukuthi uBrigadier Gininda makakunika leya dokoto ele case u21703 bekade kungo December uthi cha.
When-
Uyaphika mina.
When was it allocated to you? Which month? Which year?
It was, my lord, in November 2019.
Uthi nginikwe lelo dokoto ngoNovember 2019.
Was it the first time you received this docket? First time you received this docket from Brigadier Gininda?
My lord, it was the first time I received the docket.
Bekukokuqala na uthola leliya dokoto uthi yebo bengiqala ukuyithola.
Did you familiarize with the contents of the docket before you investigated on the docket?
That's correct, my lord.
Uye walibheka walazi walifunda leliya dokoto ngaphambi kokuthi uqale ngokuphenya kwakho uthi yebo.
Are you in possession of this docket today?
That's correct, my lord.
Uthi lelo dokoto likhona na namhlanje uthi yebo likhona.
What is the date of offense alleged to have been committed?
Ilanga ake usitshele ilanga la ukuthi icala liyenzwe ngalo.
The 19th of March 2019, my lord.
Uthi bekade kuyi 19th ka March 2019.
So at that time, you were not assigned or allocated with the docket, correct?
That's correct, my lord.
Ngaleso sikhathi wawungakanikwa lelo dokoto uthi yebo.
Was this matter ever taken for a decision to the senior public prosecutor?
My lord, it was taken by me for a decision.
Leli cala liye lathathwa na layisiwa kubaphathi babashushisi ukuthi kuyothathwa isinqumo uthi lathathwa yini inhloko.
Yes. I understand you took the docket. Did it fall under cold cases? That matter, did it fall under cold cases?
That's correct, my lord.
Uthi lelo cala lalikade lingaphansi kwalomsebenzi onguwenzayo wokuphenya amacala we-cold case.
Why do you say that?
My lord, it was still unsolved, my lord, when I received the docket.
Uthi ngoba leli cala uma mina ngithola leli dokoto lalikade lingakaxazululwa.
Was it the only docket allocated to you which was a cold, which fell under cold cases on that, in that month of November? Was it the only docket?
My lord, I cannot remember, my lord, if it was the only docket, but what I know, my lord, is that I have other dockets, my lord, which I have investigated, my lord, and are currently in courts, my lord, for trial.
Uthi ke ngoNovember ngaleso sikhathi yilona kuphela na icala ewalinikwa belikade lingaphansi kwalamacala awaphenyayo uthi angikhumbuli kodwa engikwaziyo ukuthi akhona amanye amacala ayibuyisiwa senkantolo se ayaxoxwa njengoba sikhuluma kanje.
So when you took this matter for a decision to the SPP, was there any suspect that was arrested prior to you taking that docket? Was any person arrested? According to the knowledge or information in that docket, was any person or any suspect arrested?
That's correct, my lord. In the docket, my lord, there is, my lord, information that there was a suspect, my lord, arrested.
Uthi-ke njengoba unikwa leliya dokodo ngaphambi kokuthi ulihambise kulaba abaphethe abashushisi kunempukane iyasithikazisa kulaba abaphethe abashushisi uthi bekade kukhona umsolwa na obekade ekhona uthi yebo kuyidokodo ikhona igama likamsolwa noma ukhona umsolwa olaphaya.
All right. The person was arrested. What happened? When was he arrested or when was she arrested?
The person, my lord, was arrested on the 19th of March, 2019.
Manje lo muntu lo oboshiwe uboshwe nini yena uthi nge-19 zikaMarch ngo-2019.
What happened after his arrest?
My lord, he was taken to court, my lord. However, the matter was not placed on the court roll, my lord, due to the fact that, my lord, the items, my lord, which he was found in possession of were supposed, my lord, to be analyzed, my lord, at the forensic science laboratory, my lord, to confirm, my lord, that it was indeed the drugs that he was possessing, my lord.
Manje lo muntu loyo kwenzakeleni ngaye ngemva kokuthi aboshwe uthi lo muntu loyo uye wayisiwa enkantolo kodwa lelo cala alizange lifakwe enkantolo ngoba lezi yazinto bekade eboshwelwe zona bekwamele ziyohlolwa abochwepheshe ngale kulaba bekwi-laboratory yama forensic ukuze bazokwazi ukusho ukuthi lezo zinto ngempela kakade kuyidakamizwa noma cha.
Do you know if there were any summons that was served upon that suspect that was not placed on the road?
My lord, there were no summons, my lord, served on the suspect.
Uyazi ukuthi kwakade akhona amaphepha na awathunyalelwa lo msolwa loyo uthi cha zange kube namaphepha athunyelelwe umsolwa.
All right. I just want to establish the legitimacy of the J50. Where does it come from? Why was it issued? To
My lord,
understand.
my lord, it was issued because, my lord, I requested the court, my lord, to take a decision, and also, my lord, I laid basis, my lord, on the application, my lord, of that J50, my lord, to be authorized.
Uthi-ke uthi ucela uwazi ngaleli yaphepha i-J50 ukuthi incwadi egunyaza ukuthi umuntu aboshwe manje ufuna ukwazi ukuthi leyo ncwadi leyo ikhishwe njani uthi yakhishwa ngoba mina ongaya enkantolo ngacela ukuthi inkantolo igunyaze ukuthi le ncwadi le ingasetshenziswa.
May I request the court to adjourn for lunch? If needs be.
Is that 1 o'clock now?
That's correct.
Okay, until 2 o'clock.